Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is listening and speaking. So remember, the video is for listening and speak. So you need to listen, and then you have to repeat. You have to pronounce. You have to say the questions. Remember this, especially this video, it's for, for a homework. So later you're going to listen, copy, and record your voice, questions and answers. So imagine this is a homework. So your homework is listen, repeat, and answer the questions. Okay, understood that? Let's go. So the video is gonna be for ninth grade. So keep in mind this. And also don't forget the date. So remember, today it's August 13. So don't forget to write that. So the class is gonna be a listening and speaking class. And the grade is ninth, and what else, date, and so on. So let's go, come on, let's go, let's practice a little bit more this speaking. Okay, so come on, let's go. So my idea is that you're gonna repeat. Well, my opinion is that you repeat 10 times each question. For example, I say, where do you, this is an example, okay? Where do you play soccer? So you repeat, where do you play soccer? 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 And so on, 10 times. Remember, this is like a homework for you. So you're gonna listen and then you're going to repeat. Okay? So keep in mind that it's possible, but I want is you repeat. Okay? So are you ready for this? Are you listening? Are you working in this? So how is it going? Let me see how is it going. Right? Let's do it. Let's practice a little bit this. Right? Let's go. So unit 5 is about shop smarter. I mean, a person who is smart. So I want as you listen and repeat 10 times. Let's go. Let's do it. All right, let's do it. How would you like to pay for it? Repeat. How would you like to pay for it? How would you like to pay for it? Listen and repeat. How would you like to pay for it? 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 2. How much is it? How much is it? How much is it? Do 10 times. How much is it? Good. 3. Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay for my credit card? So remember 10 times. 4. How much time do I have to wait for the product? How much time do I have to wait for the product? 5. Can I change my purchase? Can I change my purchase? So can I change my purchase? Can I change my purchase? 6. Does the product have guarantee? Does the product have guarantee? Does the product have guarantee? Product or product? Does the product has guarantee? 7. How do you buy online? How do you buy online? How do you buy online? 8. What will I do if I don't like the product? What will I do if I don't like the product? 9. Could you tell me Could you tell me your website, please? Could you tell me your website, please? 10. How can I find your product online? How can I find your product online? Okay? Unit Unit 6 is about traveler. Okay? So questions about it. 1. Where would you like to visit? So where would you like to visit? Where would you like to visit? 2. Are you traveling alone or with someone else? Are you traveling alone or with someone else? Are you traveling alone or with someone else? 3. How much money are you going to spend in your journey? How much money are you going to spend in your journey? 4. Where are you going to stay? Excuse me, where are you going to stay? Right? So where are you going to stay? Good. What do you know about the place that you are going to visit? What do you know about the place that you are gonna visit? That you're gonna visit? 6. How long are you going to stay in the country? So how long are you going to stay in the country? 7. May I see your passport, please? May I see your passport, please? Excuse me, how much money do you have? Excuse me, how much money do you have? 10. Sorry, 9. What are you going to do here? What are you going to do here? What are you going to do here? So what are you going to do here? Are you going to do what? So what are you going to do here? So what are you going to do here? So or what are you going to do here? 10. It's can I see your luggage? Can I see your luggage? Can I see your luggage? Luggage? Can I see your luggage? Good. Let's go to unit 7. So you're going to listen and then you're going to repeat. Remember the idea here is listen and repeat 10 times. So you listen and then you repeat because it's a homework. So okay, let me continue. Unit 7, better world. Question 1. Would you like to be a volunteer? Would you like to be a volunteer? Would you like to be a volunteer? Two, how can you help our planet? How can you help our planet? Three, how do you help people? It's good. How do you help people? How do you help people? Good, very good. How do you help people? So, excuse me, how do you help people? Good, let's go. How do you help people? Four, do you like animals? Excuse me, do you like animals? Do you like animals? Good. Do you like animals? 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 Good, very good. Five, how would you help street dogs? How would you help street dogs? So how would you help street dogs? Good. Six, can you do something for changing the environment? Can you do something for changing the environment? Seven, if you if you got if you got $1 million, you got $1 million, how would you help the poor people? If you got $1 million, how would you help poor people? How would you help poor people? How would you help poor people? Eight, how do you help your classmates? How do you help your classmates? Yes, come on, let's continue, okay? Nine, if you were the president, what would you like to change in your country? If you if you were the president, what would you change in our country? If you were the president, what would you change in our country? And finally, number 10 is, are you gonna do something for the water? Are you gonna do something for the water? So, what else? I need is you listen and repeat. And after repeating this, what you need to do for the homework, not now, not now, okay? Now, no. It's not homework 4. It's going to be homework 5. 5. Homework 5. So you're gonna listen and then you're going to repeat. My suggestion is you listen and copy on your notebook, and then you can, and then you can, and then you can, well, perhaps you can answer. Okay, one, for example, one. How would you like to pay for it? How would you like to pay for it? So you can say, okay, I can pay it uh, I can pay it or I can pay it by credit card or by money or online or whatever you. And how much is it? Well, I don't know. It's possible answer. Can you pay? Uh, can I pay by credit card? Yes, of course. You can pay by credit card here. Okay, no